Introducing PalmSHIELD Elite, the revolutionary new design for the industry's top architectural screening brand. PalmSHIELD Elite was created in response to feedback from our customers and installers, who requested easier, more flexible installation. Answering their call, we set about revising our panel framework and column profiles. The result is a game changer in aesthetics, strength, and installation efficiency. PalmSHIELD Elite provides the following: a clean, consistent 3-inch reveal for a sharp, modern look, a 2-sided finish, which is perfect for courtyards and balconies, and faster installation thanks to our innovative tubular redesign columns. There are 2 ways to install this system. In this video, we'll teach you how to install using the post, panel, post, panel, post, panel, post method. Let's begin. Today we are putting together a system composed of 3 panels and 4 posts. You'll need anchor bolts to secure the post to the ground. Please note that anchor bolts are not specified or provided by PalmSHIELD. Installing PalmSHIELD Elite requires a minimum of 2 installers using proper protective gear and the following equipment: tape measure, can of compressed air, hand drill, hammer drill, level, mallet. PalmSHIELD also sells shims, which are used to help level posts. Before you begin, look over the custom fabrication drawings that shipped with your order. Use a tape measure to determine the placement of and distance between your posts. When ready, place the first post at the point of installation. Use a marker to mark the holes where the 4 anchors will be installed. When done, lift the post to get it out of the way. You will use these 4 markings when drilling the holes for your anchor bolts. The reason we use a marker is you never want to drill through the post holes. Doing so can chip your powder-coated finish and damage your product. With your markings in place, prepare the hammer drill and drill the 4 holes. Use compressed air to clear out the debris. Return the post to the installation site and match up the post to the holes in the pavement. These are the anchor bolts. Once again, PalmSHIELD does not specify or include anchor bolts in our orders. Move the nut of each bolt to the top as shown on screen. Use a mallet to install the anchors. Do not tighten the bolts just yet, as you must first check the level of the posts. If the post is not completely level, you can adjust them using PalmSHIELD's custom-made shims. Simply slide the shims under the edge of your post until the post is level. You can now tighten all 4 anchor bolts. Loosen the screws on the flange of the first post. As you can see, we're not removing the screws or the flange. Simply loosen. You'll tighten everything later. You may use small blocks between the first 2 posts. Cut to match the distance between the grade and the bottom of your panel. These blocks provide support for your panels as you install them. Once you attach the first panel, you'll also attach the first vertical compression profile to the end of your system. Once both pieces are in place, tighten all the screws on the flange. Briefly attach your second post so you can once again mark and drill holes and clean out debris. Loosen the flanges on your second post and reattach the post to your panel. At this point, you can install anchors for the second post and tighten all the screws on its flange. As you go, use a level to set the panels to height. Repeat the process until all 3 panels and all 4 posts are installed. When it's time to install the final post, attach the second vertical compression profile to the end of the final post. Now tighten the flanges on the final post to install your compression profile. These compression profiles can be powder coated to match your screening system. Wipe down your panels and clean up any debris. Snap some pictures and send them to PalmSHIELD to enact your warranty.